The role of diversification, your trusted coach for financial freedom. Retirement planning is more than just a financial exercise, it's about designing a future where freedom, security, and the dreams you've worked so hard for become reality. Achieving this requires not just saving, but strategic investing, a process where diversification and discipline stand as your trusted teammates. Investing in mutual funds, when approached wisely, can be likened to a championship-winning sports team, orchestrated, strategic, and anchored in discipline. Let's explore how these principles can inspire retirement planners to take control of their financial journey and secure their golden years with confidence. A great team thrives on balance and preparation. In the same way, diversification ensures that every asset within your portfolio has a well-defined role in minimizing risks and optimizing returns. Retirement planners, think of diversification as a tailored suit just for you, crafted to fit your unique goals and keep your wealth secure. A coach never depends on a single star player to win a game. Similarly, a wise investor avoids putting all eggs in one basket, whether it's a single stock or sector. Diversification spreads your investments across a variety of industries, asset classes, and geographies, cushioning your portfolio from downturns in any one area. For retirement planners, this means steady, reliable growth rather than turbulent ups and downs. If one sector falters, the others stand strong to balance performance and keep you on track. With this approach, you aim for consistent, long-term outcomes. Just as top-tier teams combine offensive and defensive players, mutual funds balance stability and growth assets. Equities provide the opportunity for higher returns, bonds bring stability, and commodities diversify further with market trends. A seasoned coach adjusts game strategies mid-match, reading the opponent and seizing opportunities. Similarly, mutual fund managers dynamically adjust their investment allocations to align with ever-evolving market conditions while remaining aligned with your financial aspirations. Diversification forms the foundation, but it is discipline that ensures victory for retirement planners. Without it, even the best game plan can falter. Cultivating disciplined investment habits reframes your mindset and elevates you from reacting emotionally to leading with intention and strategy. Championship-winning teams train relentlessly, often over years, to reach their goals. Similarly, retirement-focused investors must commit to the long haul to benefit from the power of compounding returns. The market may wobble, but its historical trends show one clear pattern: disciplined, long-term investing yields substantial rewards. A steady investing mindset promises not just financial growth but peace of mind in your golden years. Athletes master their craft through consistent, regimented training. Similarly, systematic investment plans, SIPs, act as a disciplinedly wealth-building tool for investors. By committing a fixed amount every month, SIPs enable you to weather market fluctuations while capitalizing on rupee cost averaging. This regular habit turns time and consistency into two of your greatest assets, especially critical for planners poised for retirement. For those planning for retirement, adopting SIPs can make investing feel effortless while compounding wealth steadily over the years. Retirement is not the end of the journey, it's the beginning of a richly rewarding and much-deserved chapter of life. To achieve the financial freedom you dream of, let diversification be your guiding coach, spreading risks and optimizing returns. And let discipline be your anchor, ensuring steadfast commitment to your investment strategy even when the economic winds shift. By embracing these principles, you'll create a robust financial plan that consistently moves you toward your goals. Secure your retirement with confidence, play the game of investment smartly, and celebrate your golden years the way you've always envisioned. Your future self will thank you.